Hey guys, this is the unboxing video of Atomberg Wall Fan. The model is Efficio Plus, and I'll quickly unbox it and show it to you how the installation is done. You can read the package details here. It comes with a remote control and it has a BLDC motor, separate motor, and a silent operation. And let me quickly unbox it. Let's check it out, guys. Here's how the packaging is inside. You can see this is how the fan looks. These are the fan blades. This is the frame, and here you get the mounting screws, and this is the body of the fan. This is the motor. Let me unpack it. So this is how it looks from behind after unboxing. You can read the specifications here. This is the mounting bracket, this is the motor, this is the fan, and mounting template, and this is the manual. You can read the manual, and the warranty card is here. So you need to unscrew this first. Mount the blades, you have to turn it clockwise to unscrew it. It comes out. First you need to remove this by moving in anti-clockwise direction. Then this part will go inside, and again put it back and rotate in clockwise direction. It's very easy. Just tighten this part. So this is tight now. So I am putting the fan. It goes inside easily. You can see. Now we need to lock it by rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So this is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Yeah. Done. It's locked. Very easy to put it back here. There's a lock given here and with a screw. You can see. Just you need to lock it and screw it up again. Put back the screw here now. Just need to tighten it. You can see I have tightened the screw now. It's pretty much done. So you can see now this part is inside. This part is above. This part is also locked, and this is also locked. You have to drill 2 holes in the wall and put it like this, and then you can mount your fan there and plug it. It comes with a remote as well, and batteries are given. You need to put the batteries. Remote looks good. I have inserted the batteries now. This is how the remote looks in your hand. So here I have mounted the fan. It's much more silent in the operation. There are 3 speeds. You can increase, decrease the speed. Also, you can control the swing with the help of the remote. So this is the maximum speed. I'm reducing the speed here. So you can feel the noise and wind here. So thank you guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful for you.